Hello everybody, Melanie here from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm very excited to let you know the September to December 2024 mini catalog is going to be launching soon. And if you follow me, you know that with each catalog, I do product shares. Now, product shares are a really great way to get a little bit of all of the new papers, ribbons, embellishments, and some of the other fun paper products at a fraction of the cost of buying full packages of everything. So what I do is I give you the opportunity to purchase a portion of a package of all of these items with the launch of the catalog so that you have the opportunity to try a little of everything. So here is the information for my product share offering for this new upcoming, I call it the holiday catalog. So usually I offer several core items, and then I try to throw in a fun item or two to offer you. So let's take a peek. I always offer paper shares. The designer series paper in the catalogs are always beautiful, and you can never truly appreciate them until you see them in person. So this is what my paper share looks like. My paper share will include a quarter of a pack of each of the 11 new paper collections in the catalog. Now I cut the 12 by 12 paper collections down to 6 by 12, and then you will receive one piece of each of the patterns in all of the collections. If a collection is a 6 by 6 collection, clearly I can't make it any bigger. It will come to you 6 by 6. And every now and then there is a 12 by 12 collection that when you cut it down, a quarter of a pack is in a 6 by 6 piece. And that happens to be the case for the A Little Bit Festive specialty paper included in this catalog. So a paper share will include a quarter pack of all 11 collections, as I had mentioned, and it is $45. Now, in addition to the paper shares, I almost always offer a ribbon and embellishment share. And this is going to give you a little bit of all of the new gems, sequins, cute little glimmery and blingy items, as well as some of all the ribbons and trims. So this year I am offering all the ribbons as a quarter of a spool, and all of the embellishments will be a fifth, 1/5 of a pack. Now everything comes labeled with the item number and the name so that if there's something that you absolutely love, you know exactly what it is that you like, so that it makes it easy to order additional items. And it comes in this cute little container, so it makes it really easy to store. And the catalog is on there, so you know exactly what label to look for if you want something out of this mini catalog. So a ribbon and embellishment share, again, is 1/4 of all the spools, except for the baker's twine. The real red and white baker's twine is the only exclusion this time. And 1/5 of each of the packs of the new embellishments. So you get several items, and that's $36. Now the fun item that I'm offering with this catalog, I'm calling my quick and easy assortment share. There's lots of little tidbits in here to do just like it says, make quick and easy cards and projects. So in this assortment, you are going to receive several of the Pack items. Now the Packs are something that was new with this current annual catalog, and they really are quite amazing. You get tons of all of these adorable little images. All you do is simply pop them out and you can place them on your projects, and it makes creating so fast. Now this share also includes card bases and envelopes, so that you have the ability to make really fast cards by using your Packs, and there are 3. One is images like this, then you have one that are just sentiments and sayings, and then you have one collection that's just tags. So you can layer those items up, and you get some of the gold dipped mix and match card and envelopes, and those are in here, as well as some simple basic white memory and more cards with envelopes. And those come in 2 different sizes, so you have some options with your creating. And then I'm also including 2 of the book treat boxes, and that's new in this catalog. And unfortunately, I can't show you the inside of the catalog yet, not until September 4th when it launches. But if you do have a catalog, then you can take a peek at these items. All right, so the quick and easy assortment share, you'll get a variety of items. And for the Embellishment packs, those full packs come with 4 different sheets and you get 2 of each. However, for this quick and easy collection, you are going to get an assortment of sheets. So you will get 2 of the 4 sheets from each of the 3 collections. You'll get a total of 6 sheets. So you'll have a nice variety of items to work with that will give you an idea of what the Embellishment packs are like, and you can always go and order a full pack if you really like them. And then last but not least, my paper samplers. These are super popular. They're an amazing reference tool. I use these all the time when I am creating. I love that I can see what the patterns are. So these paper samplers have 1 piece of each pattern in a paper collection. So you're able to page through, see what's in there, pick out the pattern that you would love, and then if you flip it over, you can see exactly what colors were used in the paper collection, as well as if it has any coordinating suite items that might go with it. For example, I know this is a suite. So this tells you it goes with the Reindeer Day suite, so you know to look for your Stampin' Die bundles, you know to look for your ribbons and embellishments, and you have all of your colors here. It makes it really easy to pull items together when you're creating. It also gives you the item number, how it comes, and which catalog it's in with the picture. So it makes it really easy to find what you need when you're creating. So the paper samplers come as a collection of 11 samplers. The 12 by 12 collections are cut down to 4 by 6, and your 12 by 12 collections are left full size. And for example, the Splendid Autumn, this is a full quarter pack of paper that's in here. That's the only way to get 1 piece of every pattern in the collection. So it's a lot of paper in some of these. And the nice part about this is when you are done with the sampler and no longer want it, you can pull apart this jacket and you have a 4 by 6 piece of designer series paper to create with, and it's enough to create a full front layer on a project. So you can get a lot of use out of these even when you no longer want them as a reference tool. And the paper samplers for the holiday mini catalog are $26 for all 11 collections. Now, I don't have them with me, but I also have just a few sets of paper samplers from the current annual catalog remaining. I do have those on the reservation form. I think I only have a couple left. So if you want a set, you need to grab those. Now, I also offer some bonus items. So if you would like an assortment of these items, I'm offering the Craft Lovers Bundle, which is your paper share, your ribbon and embellishment share, and your quick and easy assortment share. If you choose the Craft Lovers Bundle, you'll get these 3 items, and I'm going to gift you the Real Red and White Baker's Twine. Whoops. Let me show that to you. I forgot to grab it. So this is, you get a full spool of the Real Red and White Baker's Twine, which will be amazing for your holiday creating with it being red and white. And if you follow me, you know how often I do what I call multitasking with my twine and show you how you can actually get 3 colors out of this instead of just the 1. So you'll get a spool of that free as my thank you. Now, if you get the Ready to Craft bundle, you're going to get your paper share, your ribbon and embellishment share, your quick and easy assortment, and your paper samplers. So you're going to get everything, and that's $132. And as my thank you, I'm going to gift you a Wink of Stella glitter pen. And these are so fun for adding just a little bit of glitz to your projects. I love to take the tip and dip it right in my ink pad and color on my projects, and it adds colored shimmer. They're really amazing. So I will include the link to the reservation right here for you, and reservations end September 2nd. September 2nd is the last day to reserve your items. When the catalog launches on September 4th, I'm going to get everything ordered for you, and then it will come to me. I will cut, package, get everything labeled for you, and then ship it out My goal for shipping is September 22nd, but I'm almost always several days ahead of schedule, but I can't promise. I am going to shoot for September 22nd to have this back out to you. So I hope you enjoy your paper shares. And so many of you, when you put your reservations in, you leave me very sweet comments on the reservation form. And I just want you to know that I am so grateful for those little comments, and I really do appreciate you. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I will look forward to creating really fun packages for you for your holiday crafting.